Hello, people. It's stupid shit. Alright, well, hello, folks. It's me, Larry Hankins. You haven't seen one of these kind of videos before. I know it's been a while. So, and you probably see the guy. This come from. It's from SuperZman85. Or 80 something, I think. So yeah, I know what's in the box, but you don't. Not you, Zach himself. So let me grab my box opener again. I've been waiting for this. It came slower than what we were both hoping it would be. So, and plus also as a holiday weekend, so that wasn't good. Let's see. Here we go. Box is getting closer and closer to open. Alright, now I'm getting there. Alright. Ta-da! And ladies and gentlemen, it's Strafe. It's just Strafe. I'm sorry to disappoint. So yeah, me and him have a deal going on. I couldn't find Strafe the other day. I did find Drift and Slash. I should have just not even got Slash. But oh well. I couldn't find Strafe, so he was nearby his local Walmart, and he grabbed me a Strafe, and me and him would make it a deal. Next time if I find Lockdown, that is his. So yeah, hopefully I'll find a place that has 2 lockdowns. But yeah. So for right now, I got all the. But for right now, I've got all the Wave 2 of the Deluxes and the Voyagers. I need to complete Wave 1 of the leaders, and I'm not getting Wave 2 Leader B, because who the hell wants to? So yeah. Yay. So yeah. So folks, go and sub. Holy crap, his wingspan is big. Come on. So yeah, guys, go and subscribe Orino to Mr. SuperZman85. That's all I have to say. Good night, Gotham. Why do they make these things? Why do they make these things? No one wants them. They're nothing but annoying. I told you to leave. Leave. Shoo. Get. Is there going to be a problem here?